All right, guys. Absolute Football 2-box break number 1A. Team owners: ATL Nate Dogg, AZ Dave, Ravens Greg, Buffalo Tibbs. Tibbs, I want to know if you want to sell that. Rizzo. Carolina Panthers Craig P. or trade. Bears Dave. Bengals Nicky C. Browns Maxime. Cowboys Nick. Broncos Kaput. Detroit Peggy. Green Bay Greg. Texans Haas. Colts Greg. Jags Chi. Chiefs Ellie. Chargers going to Eric J. Rams Nicky C. Dolphins Nicky C. Vikings Tibbs. Patriots Nick C. Saints Joe. Giants Peggy. Jets Dylan. Raiders Chris M. Eagles Ellie. Steelers Ram. 49ers Cam Bam. Seahawks CBS. Bucks Nicky C. Titans going to Beef. Redskins going to Rays. Sports Cards. Gotcha. We need 2 Kaboom cards out of each box. Loose boxes so it can happen. Oh, 3 inner boxes. That's cool. 3 autos, 2 memorabilia cards per box on average. On average. That is the key word, on average. Good luck, guys. We got a base. That is Stephon Diggs, Buffalo. Kyler Murray, AZ. Oh, sick. For the Broncos, we got a filthy dual memorabilia auto to 49 Bradley Chubb. Don't know if he's any good, but it's a nice card. For Denver. Wow, this stuff looks nice. I like it. I think it's pretty sick. Dude, this is a Denver box. What the heck? Mini box, that is. Cortland Sutton. Triple patch. Prime patch and jersey. Number to 49. Cortland Sutton for the Broncos again. Nice looking card. I like it. Definitely like it. And we got a numbered card to 100, Ezekiel Elliott. Stars and Stripes, I guess. That's what I'll call it. For Dallas. That's a nice little mini box. Obviously it was all Broncos, but... We got a base, Matt Stafford, DET, and Baker Mayfield for the Cleve. For the Jets, we got an auto, rookie, number to 75, James Morgan. James Morgan, number to 75 for the Jets. Morgan and the Jets. We got a nice triple mem, number 73 out of 75. Kerryon Johnson for the Lions. Tools of the trade. And we got an orange, number 275, Aaron Jones Red Zone for Green Bay to 75. And going to Ellie Cat, live reporter entry. Oh, use this as a stand. Aaron Rodgers, Amari Cooper, and rookie number 200, Darrell Taylor for the Seahawks. Darrell Taylor. Darrell Taylor. That's what it looks like anyway. Could be Darrell, I don't know. And we got a quad mem rookie auto, LaMichael Perrine for the Jets. And we got Rob Gronkowski, number to 50 for the Bucks. Him and Tom hooking back up. Tommy boy. The duo. It's not bad for a box. Kaboom card, transfer now. I'll tell you what, you have to give it to the NBA. They did a pretty good job, more than any other sport, as far as the bubble is concerned, right? I mean, they had crowd noise, defense. They had, like, looks like a fake crowd. Like, they did it really good, man. They made it seem pretty real, as far as being in a crowd, even. We got Sam Darnold, Jets. Seahawks, Chris Carson. And number to 199, Laviska Shenault Jr. for the Jags, 199. Rookie. Kansas City Chiefs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, number to 349. Triple mem auto. Little football piece up in there. Kansas City. And we got a rookie auto, Jalen Hurts, out of 100 for the Eagles. Fly like an eagle. Did NHL have the crowd noise and all that too, Beef? It didn't look like there was people in the crowd, though. And dude, they showed a behind the scenes setup on the NBA playoffs with the soundboards and all that. Dude, it looked like NASA back there. It was crazy. Yeah, well that's cool. Yeah, as long as I think even the NBA, those were actual people. Oh, we got a Kaboom. We got a Kaboom. Those cards are valuable. Yeah, thick cardstock too. We got a filthy Kaboom hit. Rookie Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. That is dope. Sick hit, Caputo. Nice job, Capoot. We got a rookie auto Ross Blacklock orange, number to 50. A little bit of a tiny bit there on the lower right. That is Blacklock for the Texans. Texans rookie auto. That is Hazy with the rookie auto. And the Eagles, we got a dual mem. Carson Wentz and Miles Sanders, number to 199. Team tandem for the Eagles. And red zone, number to 75, Derrick Henry for the Titans. Going to I Eat Beef, I believe. I forgot who has Titans. Yep, I Eat Beef. One box left, guys. Here we go. Last inner box. That Kaboom, man, those are sick. Ultra rare inserts. I love those cards. They're sick. The NBA ones are filthy too. I forgot what basketball product they used to be in. Those sell really well in basketball. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Darren Waller, Raiders. Jared Goff for the Rams. For the Patriots, we got a rookie auto to 35. Josh Uki. For the Patriots. New England Patriots. Rookie auto. And for the Detroit Lions, DeAndre Swift, 199 draft War Room jersey for the Lions, number 2, 199. Final card, number to 100, Le'Veon Bell for the Jets. That is it, guys. Big hit of that box, of course, was the Kaboom card. Super tough hits to get. Alright, guys. Sorry for those who had a bad break. I know Nicky C had a lot in there and some other guys. Alright, guys. We'll get this put away and move on to the next one. Thank you.